Nichrominox est une entreprise familiale.
Nichrominox is a French family-owned business founded 40 years ago by my father. We manufacture sterilization equipment for the dental sector. We export 75% of our products.
Afin d'améliorer notre productivité.
In order to improve our productivity and compete with lower labor costs outside of France, robotics are a way for us to improve our business model.
On a fait une étude pour robotiser une cellule de pliage.
We had started a robotic folding project with traditional robots, but we did not have the knowledge internally for implementing such a task, and the project cost was just too high. Then Universal Robots came up with a very simple solution, easy to deploy and install and to program.
Des opérations de pliage pick and place.
At Nichrominox, UR robots work on 3 tasks: pick and place, CNC, and collaborative assembly.
Voici le procédé de fabrication pour les couvercles de support de fraise.
The UR robot is tending the metal fabricating machine, picking and placing the parts.
Comme pour toute installation de machine,
As for any machine deployment, we made a risk assessment study, and the solution was very simple. We have integrated a safety scanner that makes the robot slow down when employees enter the work envelope.
J'avais pas de notion en programmation, il m'a suffi
I did not have any programming knowledge, but after only 2 days of training, I was able to understand and program the robot. Today I only need 1 or 2 hours to program a new task, and I'm constantly improving the program to achieve better quality and precision.
Avant l'arrivée du robot, j'avais une certaine appréhension.
When the robot came in, I was a bit scared because I thought it would replace my job. But that did not happen. Instead, I was operating the robot, and thanks to its help, I have improved productivity and know exactly the number of pieces we produce together. Before, I was constantly working in front of the machine. Now I can let the robot work on its own.
les robots UR5
UR robots immediately improved our productivity by 10%. The production flow is more consistent and the production quality is higher. We have also freed our operators from repetitive and tiresome tasks, and they are now focusing on projects with higher added value.
Nous avons déjà 4 robots.
We deployed the first UR robot a year ago. We now have 4 collaborative robots deployed in manufacturing. It has been a great experience, and our intention is to keep integrating new UR robots.